Loved ones, friends, and patients remembering this prominent popular surgeon, Warren Kluger, who died last night in a crash. Many of you sharing your condolences on social media, calling the doctor a genuine person, and sending prayers to his family. Colleagues also mourning the loss and remembering him as a dedicated physician.
He undoubtedly was still working hard and full time.
So this is a huge loss.
It is a huge loss for the community.
Dr. Kluger was the former chief of surgery at Flagler Hospital in St. Augustine. He performed countless operations, many of which were life-saving.
Dr. Kluger was killed when he lost control of his SUV and crashed on State Road 207 in Elkton. Channel 4's Janice Harris joining us in St. Augustine after speaking with his colleagues in the medical community. I imagine shock. Janice?
Shock is a very good word to use when it comes to the death of Dr. Warren Kluger, who I'm being told was such a caring and giving man. He had a private practice behind me that is currently closed, but he also was, at the time before his death, the chief surgeon, as you mentioned, at Flagler Hospital. As news began to come out about his death this morning, the comments, the reaction was flooding in. And one thing that I now know about this man is not only was he a good surgeon and a good doctor, he was also a good man. The medical community is in pain over the sudden death of Dr. Warren Kluger.
It's just a tremendous hurt, and that he died like this and so fast.
According to the Florida Highway Patrol, Dr. Kluger lost control of his vehicle Monday night while driving along State Road 207. Dr. Kluger was ejected from the vehicle and died at the scene. No other vehicles were involved in the crash. This morning, an email was sent to Flagler Hospital staff saying in part, quote, Dr. Kluger was known for spending countless hours at the hospital and was loved by his patients and colleagues. Our thoughts and prayers remain with Dr. Kluger's wife, children, and all of those closest to him during this difficult time. Just up the road from Flagler Hospital, the doors to Dr. Kluger's private practice are locked with a note that reads, they will be closed until further notice. Dr. Anthony Musalem says Dr. Kluger was known for his commitment to medicine. He saw Dr. Kluger just days ago.
We sat with him this past Tuesday night at the county medical society meeting, and we were talking and everything. And
now there is a void in this medical community.
He undoubtedly was still working hard and full time.
So this is a huge loss.
It is a huge loss for the community.
Dr. Musalem, he was sharing so much information with me about him. I asked him to give me a couple of words to also describe the doctor, and he told me kind, patient, giving, and that he never saw that man angry. Not once did he see Dr. Kluger angry at all, which speaks a lot, says a lot about him as a man. Janice Harris, Channel 4, the local station.
It sounds like he was so loved. Janice, we have actually interviewed Dr. Kluger before for a story.
Yes, in fact, there is some video, archive video that we found earlier today. Hopefully we can show that right now. We first met him in 2003. He was speaking out with a group of physicians talking specifically about being disappointed in the increasing rates in malpractice insurance. You might see Scott Johnson in that video as well back in 2003. And then in a very unfortunate story in 2010, his family, everyone devastated by the loss of a home. Their home caught fire, about $1 million worth of damage. And that was that story that we did just 7 years ago.
Janice Harris reporting live for us tonight. Janice, thank you.